Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I got this little super sleek bun on 4C short hair, then just keep watching because I know it can be a struggle to get like sleek looking hair for 4C hair. So yeah, so if you guys want to see it, then just keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to start off with this little rat tail comb, and I'm just going to part my hair right in the middle, and I need a mirror for this. So my hair is like wet right now because I just got out the shower. But I just start off with like a rough part, and then I like part the rest of my hair randomly, like I don't know if you can see, I'm literally parting my hair. Oh, you probably can't see. Okay, so I'm literally parting my hair like this, just random. You see that? Then I'm gonna apply this gel. So this is the Ecostyle gel. This is the argan oil one, and this I get the really big tube. Well, it's a bigger tube than this, but I get the like second largest tube. And I first start from the back, and then I work my way up. So I work in like halves also, so just to let you know. So I'm going to start with this side first, and then I'm going to do this side. So I'm just going to roughly part my hair. Okay, so, and I already did this style yesterday, so it already has like gel in it. Just wet my hair so it can be like easier to maneuver. So we're going to do I'm going to do this much at the back, and I'm going to apply gel to it. And then I'm going to take this little brush, it's an Annie's brush, and it's the hard side right here, and this is the soft side. And I'm going to take the hard side, and I'm going to just brush my hair. So I'm just going to put my hair in a scrunchie, the part that I'm not using. The back up. And that's what I do. So I just brush that part out, and then I put more, and then I'm going to put it into a ponytail. So I'm just going to watch what I do. Okay, so now this whole side is done. Now I'm going to make the actual ponytail on this side. So I'm going to take the one out from here. So I'm taking the brush again, and I'm going to just start brushing the hair back. Basically, you just want to smooth everything out. And then brushing the back part up. And I'm taking a ponytail holder, and I'm just going to make like grip as hard as I can because I don't have a tight grip. I'm just gonna make the ponytail. See? So that's one side done. And yeah, so now I'm going to just do the other side, which is actually literally the same thing. And my hair is kind of getting a little dry, so I'm going to spray it with water. And I just use this little water bottle. I mean, not water bottle, it's like a spray. And I'm just gonna do the side. Okay, so now that I made 2 ponytails and I look really crazy, I'm basically going to smooth it back and make 1 ponytail. So in the back is like 1 ponytail and then 2 ponytails. I really hope you can see from the back. I'm not sure, but and I'm just gonna get another scrunchie and put them together. So start from the front. There we go. Oh, yeah, and it just makes it tighter and it makes it more sleek looking. And now this one I go in and fix the part. So now I get Marley hair pieces, and these are like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 4 strands of it all together. And I start from the end of it, and I literally just wrap it around my hair to that little ponytail part. So here, wrap this around this direction, and then I start wrapping this around. I take one more piece. And this piece is like kind of to secure the bun. So this one looks like, it could look better, but I can't really see at the moment. So yeah. Hopefully it looks fine. Oh yeah, it's a little messed up right here. Okay, that's good enough. And it will look way more sleek if you do this at nighttime and like you put the scarf on and you lay it. It looks really nice like that. I've done it before. In the morning time you can just spray your hair with water and like go like this, because I don't know, sometimes it looks smushed to your head, so the water thing really helps it. And any gel usually is activated with water, so if you want to take it off you just put water, and you can use like conditioner, shampoo to take it out. And I usually only try to do this for like 1 day out of the week and then wear it at nighttime, keep doing it, and I might have to refresh my hair a little bit. But yeah, I don't really suggest you to do this gel thing every day because it's a lot of gel and it can dry out your hair and damage your hair. So yeah, also the tension in your hair shouldn't be like this all the time. I just do this when I want a really sleek and like look. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you how I do my little baby hair edges things. So here are some suggestions for toothbrushes. So this one is like a Annie's, yeah, it's like a little small Annie's toothbrush. And basically this one, I don't really like it. I don't know, the shape is not ideal and stuff. I don't really like it for this. But it's another brush. This is a really old toothbrush and this works the best. Like, it's broken and everything. But I really love this toothbrush because I don't know why. It's like really easy to move my edges around. So that's why I've been keeping it like this. I can't find one really similar to suit my edges as I like it, just like this one does. I don't know, this is really weird, but I would say made toothbrush, like edge toothbrushes like this. There's another one, they have one with the, I can't find it at the moment, but it's like a brush and a comb at the other side. That one's okay. It's really a little too hard for my edges, like it's rough. I don't really like that for my edges, so I'm going to show you how I do my edges with this raggedy little toothbrush. Don't join me, thanks. And I dip my brush in the Ecostyle gel, and I'm first going to just basically like go like this, like basically bring all the hair to the front And honestly, I have a lot of baby hairs or whatever, edges basically, but I don't usually like use all of them to do my edges because I don't know, I think it's too much sometimes. So I start from the middle and I just make swoopy motions. And laying my edges actually can be like quite difficult. Like, it takes some time sometimes. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just making swoopy motions like this and then connecting it to the rest of my hair. Like that. And then I have a lot of sideburns, as you can see. So first I just slick the side like this back up, and then it depends on the day, so I'm going to show you two types of ways. So one, I just do the rest like this, and I can just lay it like back like that. Well, that's not a good representation, but like back like that, which is what I usually do. Or you can do a little curly thing. And now I use the Gorilla Snot, and I use this one. It's the sport one, and it's level 10, maximum hold. You always need maximum hold for 4C hair. So, and I just go over it. This one like really makes it stay in place. This or Got To Be. I like the black Got To Be for my edges. And this honestly like brings it home, so like it makes it look like your hair is more slick. So now I'm just gonna do this side. Yeah, this is pretty much how I do it. It's like, I mean, you can go in for hours and like fix your baby hairs and just, you know, perfect them. But yeah, it's not much, I don't think, to my baby hairs. I don't do anything like extravagant. Like, it could really be an art form, but I just don't, you know, I don't know. I don't really have time to be doing everything. But one day I'll probably try to do like something special with my baby's hairs. But you guys, this toothbrush, I don't know, maybe it's because how old it is, but it works and it's like really soft. I don't like the toothbrushes that are like really hard. Like, it hurts my hair, first off. And I don't think it like gets them super sleek because how soft it is. Like, I mean, just how hard it is. I think how soft this is, and like it's very easily to move around. That's why it works the best. So yeah, this side is more, I don't know, intricate than this side. I just literally did like two things on this side. I'll probably do some more later, but yeah, basically this is how I do this super sleek little bun, and at nighttime just literally wrap it up. Wrap your hair up and you'll be just fine. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please push the little bell button down below so you can get notified every time I post a video. So yeah, and don't be worried because I filmed this look and this probably should be up right after I put this video up. So yeah, just you guys, basically bye.